Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change tooltips font size in Cisco packet tracer. That means, so first of all we have to know what is the tooltips. So here if we click or keep the mouse in any kinds of device, so here we can see easily the device information has been revealed in this way. So we wanna increase the size, so go to these options and click the preference, and we have to press the front. Here general interface we will find the tool tips. So here by default it has 8. If we press 15 and go to the apply, it has changed. Now again we keep see the written has been, or the has written, or the tooltips information has been increased the size. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.